Hey guys, in this video you're looking for the lowest price online for the swagdrone racing quadcopter. Now the answer to your question is not straightforward, because obviously this comes in different packages, so depending on which package you buy is going to determine the price for that package. Yeah, but you're going to be looking at, for the basic package, with the drone, the camera, you're looking around $179. If you're looking for the night vision, all the extra parts, the spare batteries and everything, it can run you up to around $379. Yeah, which still, this is a amazing drone, so still great value for your money. If you click the link just below this video, yeah, you'll go straight to our full review, which will break down all that information for you. But again, the lowest price online you're going to find is that link right below, and it's going to be anywhere from $139 to $379. Okay, see you on the next one.